it's me, once again, Ready Red. And now here's the top 10 things that you should eat for your first time on this good shit. Number 10, ice cream. Best thing to start with. Get it in a dish though. You could do a cone, but the whole crunching thing and your first time smoking, no, don't. Get a dish. Number 9, applesauce, especially the cinnamon John. That shit fire, bruh. Number 8, nigga, Jello. Jello, hello. Jello, hello. Jello, hello. Jello, hello. Jello, hello. Hey, remember those Tootsies candies for number 7? Y'all remember those fruity Tootsies? That shit good. Oh, also Laffy Taffy or Airheads. Yeah, that works too. Because Airheads is basically taffy. Or Airheads are basically taffy. What the fuck? Oh, this is a conspiracy. Number 6, body armor water. Wait, is it water? I know it's body armor, but I think it's no. There's coconut water in it, but it's not water though. Got some natural juices, helps your body. The fruit punch and the blueberry is one of the best kinds. But hey, that mango orange be hitting different too. Know what I'm saying? That's it. Number 6, body armor. I feel like I did. Number 5. Y'all know I'm about to say it. Cake. Little Debbie's. The hostesses. The hostesses. I don't remember the correct terminology. Number 4, quattro. A small pizza. A small pizza is a good thing to start with. Cause you'd be like, all right, I gotta be to make sure, I gotta make sure I'm able to eat this shit. Cause if I want to eat while I'm in this feeling, I gotta eat something small. Number 3, tray. Wait, yeah. Number 3, tray. Fuck. Oh yeah, how can I forget? Watermelon. Number 2, dice. Uh, oh yeah, gas station slushies. That shit definitely number 2. Cause nigga, when I go to a 7-Eleven, they got this Pac-Man flavor, Blinky Cherry. That shit fire. When it actually freezes up. If you don't know what I mean, check out one of the stunner vlogs on the channel. Then you'll figure it out. Number 1, and this is the most important, fried appetizers, bro. I'm talking about French fries, onion rings, tater tots, potato wedges. Why did KFC get rid of those goddamn potato wedges? Not only that, they got rid of the actual wingdings. They got rid of the flats and the drums too. What the fuck is going on? Hey, thanks for watching the video. This is Ready Red. Hey, we already 3 episodes deep. Trey. Oh yeah, I forgot to say Uno in the last part. Oh well. Remember, smoking weed/cannabis is a stimulant. It also boosts health, makes you hungry, and it gives everybody love. Good night.